In this video, we're going to talk about how to conjugate regular RE verbs. Conjugating a regular RE verb is very much like conjugating a regular ER verb or a regular IR verb. The steps are the same, the only difference is the endings. So step 1 is to find the stem. And to do that, you remove the RE from the end of the verb. Step 2 is to add the endings. And as usual, the ending depends on what your subject pronoun is. So you'll need to look at the sentence and figure out what your subject is. Remember, these three are always grouped together when we conjugate. They all are conjugated the same way, and these two are always conjugated the same way. Okay, so the endings for RE verbs are S, S, and then there's actually no ending for this one. So I'm just going to leave it blank. If you want, you can write the word nothing, whatever is going to help you. But to avoid confusion, I'm going to just leave it empty. And then this one is ONS, easy, ENT. So these over here are the same endings that you would use for ER verbs, but these ones are different. And those are the steps. So let's look at an example. We're going to do the verb perdre, which means to lose. So our stem, to find that, we take off the RE and we're left with PERD. So PERD is our stem. Okay, so je, tu, il. I'm just going to write il instead of il, elle, and on for the sake of keeping it simple. Nous, vous, il, and elle. So elle goes here, but I'm also just going to write il just to keep it simple. If that's going to confuse you, if you need to write down elle and on and elle on your paper, that's fine. Okay, so our stem is PERD. So the stem is the same for all of them. Next step is to add the endings. So we have SS, nothing, S, S, and I'll just underline the nothing, even though there's nothing there. And then ONS, easy, ENT. ONS, easy, ENT. So to pronounce these, it's je perds, tu perds, il perd. You don't say the S's on the end of these. Nous perdons, vous perdez, ils perdent. And remember the rule, never pronounce the ENT on the end of a verb. So we've got perd, perd, perd. These are all pronounced the same way. Pardon, perdez, perdre. Okay, what do these mean? Remember, there are 3 ways in English to say what in French there's only 1 way to say for verbs. So he loses, he is losing, and he does lose. I usually switch these 2 around. I don't know why I did it in that order. Let's do this one. So it can mean they lose, they do lose, and they are losing. And that is how you conjugate a regular RE verb.